top of the afternoon. I told you I'd get a wash. I finally put the little caps on. They were easy. It wasn't even a screw. It was just like some little black clips. There's the OEM. What y'all think? Y'all like it better? I like it better with no lip, to be all the way real with you. I don't know. Maybe if I can get these little things in carbon fiber, I'll do that. But here she goes. Finally nice and clean. These wheels are a bitch to clean. So I'm probably going to take it off and clean it like fully. But he did a really good job with the barrels inside. Like, for being how dirty it was, and y'all see how dirty it was, he did a good job. But I'm gonna run up in there and touch up. He also got under here, like, boom, look at that. Always a way to check if your wheels is clean. They gonna look clean when you first pick them up, but drive, and underneath, you'll see, you see right here, look at that. They got all of that, man. My guy did it good. And this thing look good. Sometimes I don't even be wanting to sell it. Look at the interior. Woo. I told myself I was gonna take the carbon fiber off, but I don't know. It looks nice when it's clean now.
Yeah, I told you it's gonna look fresh.
Yeah, I'm so used to it looking dirty. Yeah, man. What you guys think? Keep the carbon on there. This is definitely staying on here. Shout out the keys too, man. That's definitely staying on here. I was thinking about replacing these on the sides and this one right here because I messed it up a little bit. You can see it's a little messed up right here. So I don't know, I thought about taking it off and replacing it. And plus the front lip was messed up too, so I figured, you know, that's an M8. You can never tell the difference between the M850 and the M8 and the M5. What y'all think though, man? Tell me what y'all think. You know what, this is a nice thumbnail right here. Back outside. I got an MDM, so it's not full traction off. This is like the traction off you should have if you around here type of stuff. You know what I mean? When you want to show off but you don't know what you're doing, you just press it 1 for MDM. All right? Yeah, your man's is definitely, bro.
Oh, yo, bro, I told you.
Definitely. Like, what the f is wrong with this nigga hiding around the corner? I thought he was about to kill me. I thought he was about to rob me or something, the way he hiding around the corner, bro. I don't know why it burbles when it wants to sometimes.
You know, I love that. Make it right whatever you want. Yeah.
I don't know why it's starting to burble a lot lately.
I don't know, but it sounds amazing, nigga. Yo, bro, that's the way that shit slaps. It's something different.
Yo,
no, one way, the next one.
I know. I was dodging the pothole right here.
Make the right. Yeah. Yo, bro, I saw the thumbnail when you put your moms, bro. You always sound
what?
Oh shit, nigga, nah.
I turned the gear shift down a little bit because it just started to, it's just too aggressive. Like, it's just like bang, too much. Like I felt like it wasn't doing nothing good to the drivetrain.
I'm saying, well,
yo, this dude got that stage 2. He don't know how to act, bro. He be going crazy in the 430. Yeah, you can see up here, I don't know if you guys can tell, but we put the 20 millimeter spacers that I had on my 435 on the back of that. Yo, I'm not a huge fan of the wheels, but you could definitely see them things poking out the backs. It looks real aggressive. So, I mean, he could either get some apexes, which I recommended him. I'll just put it right here, and the front lip. Or he can keep those same wheels and get spacers for the front to make the front look more aggressive with the front lip. You know, it's all dependent on him. Just make sure everything is good. All right, cool, it should be good. Ah, sheesh, he got it freezing in this mug. Yo, this dude be wilding out. And my mans have 0 gas in it. Y'all thought I was bad. I ain't gonna lie, yo. Normally it don't feel this different or weird. I put in Sport Plus. Yo, everything definitely feels a lot looser. I mean, obviously it's an older car, more miles, and it's not an M, but yo, the difference is drastic, yo. I really didn't think it was that crazy. I mean, after you spend some time in this thing, I'm gonna tell you, you get used to it, accustomed to it, you know. and it feels good. Like I'm able to drive it a little bit like a madman, but nothing is like as tight as that bad girl back there. Ooh. Got a little bump. Let's get some B-roll. I should launch it right here. Oh, I forgot you don't have no gas. I was gonna launch it. Nah, I'm not, bro, come on, bro. I'm not about to do all that. That's crazy. Yo, pull up on the left so I can get some B-roll real quick. I'm about to say, yo, what happened in the car? I see the Camry. Woo! Yeah. This thing. Yo, look at the road. Look at the road. Yeah, I ain't know that power's in there like that. Yeah, it look good. It look, I ain't gonna lie, it do look good. Woo! Yeah, that thing look, I ain't gonna lie, it's looking real nice. Jeez. Woo! Can't see shit out this thing. Yeah, what do you think?
The adrenaline that this car gives you. Get an F4. Oh God, they get like, oh God, here, take it for a spin. I'm ready. I'm ready. You know how
it should be open. It's open. Now, what are you saying?
It's like, yo, bro, it's like the throttle response, everything on this car is just like, damn, God damn. Like the M3 was crazy, but this just on the pull, bro, it's like, yeah. Like I got, yo, bro, that shit is like smoking a big blood of gumbo. I don't know if the smokers will understand, but
I don't know that about no smoke.
Oh my God. You know I'm ready. Yeah.
You still there?
Yeah, you know I gotta feel this. Get niggas a little sneak peek. Oh shit.
What do you think?
Quiet. I ain't gonna lie, I was in the seat stuck like, yeah, go ahead, get it.
Come on, these people want to drive 2 miles an hour. Let me see which one I'm gonna give them. Yo. It's XL. Yo.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You mean just going?
Just go straight down this road right here. All right? No problem. Hit my Enjoy, brother. Take it easy. Yo, you said a medium?
Hell yeah.
Try this on. This motherfucker like muscle shirts and shit talking about a medium. Let me see.
Sure
You officially got the driver mod shirt for today. You officially got the driver mod shirt.
Yeah, you know I've been waiting for this. I graduated slow speed school.
Yeah, right.
This is the diploma.
Yeah, right.
Oh my god.
2 weeks later.
This is like the black belt of slow speed.
You stupid.
Oh my boy.
Hold on. You saw the medium? This motherfucker.
Nah, yeah, you know it.
Muscle shirt, mother.
You gotta make sure.
Hold on. Turn it. Make it even a little bit. Even nah, twist it. It's a little off. Unless the shirt is just off like that. Wait.
My titties, one side is bigger than the other.
Bro, you sound like these chicks out here, bro. Like, bro, all right, watch out.
When you drive that, you need something to bring you down, to calm you down. We just drove that, no, he just drove that to the moon and back. I'm like this, jittery all over the place.
Hold on, let me see the shirt. Is it really uneven, though? Or am I bugging?
See the reflective. Nah.
It's, maybe I'm, let me see. Oh, yeah, we good now, yeah.
Everything from the knees up. Don't show them my feet, because you be trying to record it and air me out, talking about I never had no shoes on.
Yo, nah, I can't record though, yeah.
If it's not, drivers, hold on.
Yo, where's the S, bro?
Driver mod, buy slow speed. He's coming with the little tag right here so everybody can know it's slow speed. I was on his ass trying to let him know we need slow speed on it so everybody know it's a slow speed shirt. But cop the merch. You see it's fire, good quality. It's nice and soft. It's not that cheap shit. You understand me? You know he gonna give you some quality if he's driving that.
That's not always true.
He's a real nigga. He's gonna give you some good quality. Please. Everything slow speed. You know when it comes to winter time and fall time, the hoodies is coming back out. New hoodies, new shirts. I'm trying to get him to do the shorts too. Please. Gotta do some shorts. Little slow speed right here. We're gonna have the matching gear and all that shit.
Yo, he never said nothing about no shorts until just now.
You gotta put them on to everything. You gotta put them on to everything. This is my favorite. Fuck it. This is the CS, all right?
Hold on, let me get a thumbnail.
God, she hot as hell, I ain't gonna lie. Bro, oh my God. Bitch, bro. I swear to God, son, she's one sexy.
Hey, we're gonna close this one out though. But tonight was a good night. Successful. In one piece. Car clean.
Yeah, the car is suing. Like, she looks just wet, son.